Progress doesn't happen by accident. You put in the miles, the sweat, the hours. Am I getting better? Am I closer to my goal? Or just tired? I want to see progress. I want to train like the pros, but the tools they use? Complicated, expensive. You want results? This is how you get them. CycleClick, the power meter that installs in seconds, costs a fraction of traditional systems, and gives you the insights the pros rely on. Seamlessly connect to your favorite apps and stream data to multiple devices simultaneously via Bluetooth. Lightweight, easy to install. Swap it between all your bikes in seconds. No tools needed. Chain-based measurement using full bridge strain gauges and a chain speed sensor. As you pedal, the chain runs through the metal channel of the device and the channel flexes slightly relative to the chain tension. These tiny flexes reveal how much force you're applying. This direct method ensures accurate, reliable power data. And since the chain rollers rotate as they pass through, friction is minimal, keeping your ride smooth, virtually drag-free, and silent. Over-the-air updates. Rugged, dust-proof, and waterproof design. Temperature compensation. Auto-zeroing function for precise measurement. Now you know exactly how hard you're working with ±1% accuracy. On par with the best power meters out there. No guesswork, just pure progress. Whether it's the open road, the trainer in your living room, or your daily ride to work, CycleClick turns every ride into progress. I'm not a pro, but with CycleClick, I train like one, because progress belongs to those who go further. You just need your bike, CycleClick, and the drive to go further. This is your ride, your work, your progress. Make it count. CycleClick. Train smarter, go further. Back us on Kickstarter.